Welcome 60 Graphics. My name is Jerry Chesix. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Today I'm going to show you the tips for the next tutorial, or the tutorial 2080, I think 2080. Yes. So there is a tip for that tutorial, so it will be easy you to understand what is going on. So I'm creating the blank database here. Okay, I name this database SP tips, then create a database. I don't need a table, because I deal with forms. I don't need a table here, so I'm going to create, then take the blank form. Yeah, the blank form like this. This is the blank form. I'm going to design view. This is my form. Then I will save this form as tip. Okay, I will double click this one, this black square. Then I go to format, then yes, record selector, no. Navigation button, no. Scroll bar, neither. Control box, yes. And the cross button, yes. Here I mean main button, yeah. Then in other, then in pop-up, let's go to yes. So then I give the color of this form. Let me give this color, no, this color. Okay, then I'll save. Then when I show up, the form will look like this. Okay, this is my form. So I'm going to show you here how to move, how to use this function. Okay, we have two functions here. Let me draw a label here. Not a label. This is not a label. We need two functions here. We must use left function. Left. Okay, left. Let's bring it to white. Then let's give this color to red. Okay, and let me duplicate this. Copy paste. Then and the other function is width. So let me show you here. In my tutorial, I have the movement of buttons. So how can you move your button or hide the button and squeeze the button to fill the space? You will see in the next tutorial how I explain the movement of that button. Okay, so I will show you here because I want you to know when you are in the tutorial, you know what is going on. So first of all, in my tutorial, I did explain how to get those numbers and how to how to get that numbers. So here I want to show you how to get the numbers. First of all, when we want to move this button, this it can be a button or it can be label or text box, but here I have a label. So let me put the name of the label, LB way left, and this is LB right width. Okay, width. So the name of this is LB lefty and LB right. So this, I want to move this button here, then here, then here. How can do this? Follow my steps now. First of all, you must add the button. Okay, the button to check what the actual value of this label is. Check the value. Let me label this check the value. Okay, so this button will check the value of this one. So how to check the value of this one? First of all, I want to check the value of this one. So I will go to this button on data event, on click event procedure. Then I'll click this one. Then I am in the private sub, this button. So then I want to check the value of this one, so I can use it to move it. I will type message box, message box, then me.lblefty.lefty. Okay, you see. So here now, when we learn this form here and click this button like this, we get the value of this label here. Then we open our notepad here and write our value. Lefty value equal to 566, comma. Then we are going to shift this label up to here. Then we learn the form and click and then note the value of this label when it's here. Okay, let me do like this. Then we have our form, our notepad here. Let's run this one. We have this 5669 comma. Also, we go to design view, then we move this button, this label up to here. Then we learn this button here with this form. Then we click this one, we get 5669. Oh, not no. Here is the same. Okay, the same. Okay. This is lefty. We move to the x-axis. Okay, we move to the x-axis. That's why here and here has the same value. Okay, so as we can test only these two value. Okay, we have these two value. Let me do this. We have these two value only. Let me shift this to here. Okay, so let me hide this. Unload visible is equal to no. Then we have this one. Then in this button in the event sub, let's do this. Okay, we put if that label is on this side, move to this side. Okay, that's all. If me dot label left equals to 5669, then what is this? Then me dot label left equals to 566. Okay, then you can put else if me dot label left equals to 566 equals to 566, then me dot label left equals to 5669, then we end if. Okay, so you see here, if this label is in this place with this value, then we remove the label to this value, and if the label is on this value, then we move the label to this value. Okay, so here we go. Let's show us the form. Then when we click here, you see our label is this value. So you see we can move the label by checking the value of the lefty function. So this is the left. Also, we can check for the value of width. Width means this value. Okay, this width. So we can shorten the width, or maybe right here, width allow to stretch to x-axis. So let me hide this. Let me show up this. The data visible is equal to yes, and hide this. So this is label width. So let us find first the width of this one. Okay, let us find the width of that one first. So in this check button, go to event, then here let us delete this one. Then with message box, me dot lb width. Okay, let us check. So the width is here now, so we want to check the width of this first. Let us check the width of this. The width is 5104, so let us note this one, 5104. Width is 5104. Then let us narrow it. Okay, up to here, maybe here. Yes, up to here. Then we check the value of that field, then run the form, then check the value is 1184. Okay, so now we are going to the check to this button. Then in this one, then we put if function. If me dot label dot width equals to 111.11.34, then me dot lb width equal to 5104. Also, else if me dot lb width equals to 5104, then me dot lb width dot width equals to 1133, and if here we go. Now let's see the magic happen here. So when I run this form, you see when I click this, oh no, I have mistakenly, but when we just like this, when you see the form is the label is expanding due to the width. So you can use this function to different things like drop downs, menus, creating web like menus, moving things, okay, as I showed you to my tutorial there. You will see it. Okay, thanks for watching. My name is Sijiri6. Welcome 6 Graphics, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Just watch it to grow this channel.